My name is Eric Chandler. I'm a personal injury and criminal defense attorney in Omaha, Nebraska. I've been practicing law since 2006. I really try to give my clients the opportunity to know as much about their case as they want. I want them to know what's going on. We want to have transparency here, and there's a lot of education that goes on during that process. We want them to feel that they're properly represented. We want them to feel happy and confident with our representation.
I reached out to Eric Chandler following a car accident when I was rear-ended on the interstate. I had never reached out to a personal injury lawyer before. I really have never had any experience prior to my accident. So having him as my first experience, he really set the bar high for my expectations. Immediately, he was asking what were the comfortability levels at the points where we would want to settle. He always made me feel like I was the person in charge of what was happening, and he was just acting as the middleman to make sure that I felt comfortable with the final decision.
I was involved in a hit-and-run car accident with my family, and I was working through the insurance company and wasn't pleased with the results, so I reached out to Eric. He was wonderful. You could tell he's very well educated, good energy, positive. He took care of me and my family more than I could expect.
Our goal here is to have a situation where we foster relationships with these clients to where they can trust us even beyond this case. When their case is over with, we tell all of our clients, if you have a question, call us. Maybe we can give you some advice. Maybe we can forward you on to another attorney who is experienced in that area of law and will be able to help you out.
If I hadn't reached out to Eric, I don't feel that I would have ended up in the place I am today. We had a lot of questions and didn't know where to go, and I think that Eric was able to navigate this really difficult time for us and ultimately made it the best possible outcome it could have been.
Having someone come in for the first time, they are not at a good point in their life. They've either been severely injured in a car accident or they're facing criminal prosecution and they're scared. Being able to help someone through that time in their life is the most rewarding thing. If you've been injured in an accident, you don't have to worry about paying out of pocket to retain our office to represent you in your injury claim. Our fee is built into any settlement or verdict that you receive as a result of your claim. And if we're not successful, then you're not responsible for any attorney's fee. We offer free consultations. It's worth it just to come in, find out what your options are. The biggest injury claims that people have go without being made. People never make them because they don't know their rights. Same with criminal matters. A lot of times people jump to the conclusion of, I can't afford an attorney, or there's nothing I can do. I was caught dead to rights, and they don't know their rights. If you're thinking about it, you need to call somebody. Call us. If it's not us, call someone else. But before you do anything, before you make any major life-altering decisions, speak with someone. Find out what your options are. Find out what can or cannot be done.
If you're looking for a personal injury attorney, I recommend Eric Chandler Law 100%.
He puts you first as the client, keeps you involved, and makes your priorities his priorities.